Right, tell me something now. Why my crab don't have no head?
Why crab no have no head? Well, crab him, him father was a multi-millionaire, where usually make head. So one idea crab now go one place, go see some people have some extraordinary things, a red fin eye. So him they now decide to for himself say him want have some of them the things the way people them have. Cause for him father multi-millionaire and anything what millionaire boy want him forget. So instead some woman him link him father pan it and him father tell him say crab I know everything where you see people with you fi have because some things are just not for you. But what for you can be and for you. Well anyway, crab go away and he say to himself say, daddy say what for me can be and for me. But them the same thing they are for me. So me have to go get it. So anyway, him think of a way now how he could get some money to go buy some of the extraordinary things there. Think of a whole lot of ways. So him figure out one nice way where he could go about getting himself the extraordinary things there. So while in the pan way a go on pan journey, him they now see one six-headed dragon put up one sign say he want body parts to buy. So crab him say to himself say yes, that's it crab, yes man, me can sell me head and me can after me sell head now like how daddy make head me can just go back a yard and make daddy build back one head for me. So anyway, and go to a six-head dragon, then no one say to a six-head dragon, say, alright, six-head dragon. We see you put up one sign out a road, say you want body parts to buy, Well, I have one nice head here, can sell you. But only one problem, Head where me a sell you, me nah go can sell you me eye with it, cause me go want back me eye them fi see back, fi go back a yard. So the six-head dragon say, alright, yes man, no problem. I head me want, cause me don't have 12 year already pan them a 6 head here what me got. So I don't know if me have one head when I have no eye pan. Well anyway, they do them business and thing and the six-head dragon buy crab head, and put on it and take off crab 2 eye them and pin them on in inside. Yes man, and the six-headed dragon they now turn the seven-headed dragon. Yeah man, that's why you always hear about the seven-headed dragon where I go come up out I see. Yeah man, I him that. Him crab selling head too. Well anyway, crab him they know, One, so him a go back in yard, and when him a go back a yard, tap out a rum bar, cause him have him extraordinary things them when him buy, and show off and a drink him and him friend them and did he a drink and have a cat a one post time so till boops I girlfriend that come on pan the spot man a ball. So when him a she a ball him go say a warm to you Maisie. Maisie a tell him say no say we just come in a house they come see your father dead pan him face. Ah Jesus. Crab take a sip out and rum and say that. So my father dead. After I sell my head to the six-headed dragon, to the seven-headed dragon, you tell me say my father dead. That means me never can get back my head. Yes man, so crab him run out of the place side way, Yes man, I run side way, go say him want to go back in yard. But him couldn't reach him yard. Because what? Pay side way him go and all of the pass them straight. Yeah man, so From them day there until now, man. Crab I walk sideways without head cause he selling head to a six-headed dragon and him head. They know him no get it back cause daddy dead. So that's why you see crab don't have no head today there. Yeah man.